Hey there, fellow architects. Welcome to the Architect's Guide to Procrastination. I'm your host, Audrey, and I'm excited to share with you the ultimate guide on how to waste time and avoid work because, let's be real, who needs productivity when we can always procrastinate? Tip 1. Spend hours browsing architectural memes on Instagram instead of actually working on your project. Who needs to meet deadlines when you can scroll through endless memes of funny memes? With captions.
Create an elaborate spreadsheet on how to track your procrastination progress, because let's face it, if you're going to waste time, you might as well just track it and make it look impressive.
Tip 3. Hold a meeting with yourself on the importance of taking a nap, because let's be real, what's more important than taking a nap? Using your pillows.
4. The act of advanced daydreaming. Instead of actually working on your project, hours staring outside your window, wondering where next you go for your vacation, imagining what it's like to be a famous architect. Prioritizing your mental health is most important, right?
5. Social media selfie. Why spend time working on projects when you can spend time, hours scrolling through social media, just having fun?
Come closer. You can do this by following your favorite architects online, influencers, and designers. Before you know it, you would have wasted hours that you should have spent working. Why worry about deadlines? Right?
And there you have it, folks, the ultimate guide to procrastination for architects. If you're about to waste your time, you might as well do it with style. Thank you for watching this video. Like, share, subscribe, comment, all of the above. Thank you guys again for watching. Bye.